Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, as you can see, I have an Hermes haul to share with you. This is a true unboxing. I just got home from picking up these items using curbside pickup, and I finally have been able to connect with an SA there, which is great. Thank you so much to my Instagram friend who connected me with her SA. You know who you are. Thank you so much. She has been wonderful, and so I've made my first purchase from her, which are all of these items. So just to explain, I am really loving Hermes. I've explained in my previous video that I kind of envisioned starting my Hermes collection the year I turned 40, which is this year. So I am only buying items that I truly want. I am not expecting anything. I won't buy something just for the sake of buying it to build a profile. That is just not something I am willing to do. I'm buying things that I am happy to have spent my money on, and if someday I do get offered a bag, that would be amazing, but I have no expectation for that, and I'm not buying things just for that. So I just want to make that clear. No judgment on people who do that. I know that that's just kind of how it works, but in terms of the fashion house, I really am enjoying the items I have so far, and I'm loving learning about the brand. I'm loving exploring everything they have to offer, and I am kind of building a wish list, and these are some items that were on it. So anyway, just to show you, they came in this really big bag, and there's several items. So let's get started so we don't make this too long. And I see that she threw this in. I haven't looked through it yet because I just got home and was really excited to unbox, but that was really nice of her, so I'll have to take a look at that. Okay, so I'm just going to dive right in. I don't know what is what here, so let's start with this one. Everything looks packaged so beautifully. I hate to ruin it, but I'm so excited to open everything. Okay, I think I know what this one is, but let's see. Yes, I think I know what it is. So here is the dust bag. Yes, so this is a strap, and I bought this strap to use with my Evelyn TPM. So this is a shorter one. The Evelyn TPM comes with a really long crossbody strap, so I wanted to try a shorter strap with it just to see how I liked using a shorter strap, and I thought this one was really fun. It's a new style, and I thought the colorway would look really nice with my Evelyn TPM, which is in gold, and it's palladium hardware, which is what my Evelyn is. So it says Hermes Paris, made in France. And yeah, that is the first item. So it's really cute in person. Happy with that. So let's put this to the side. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. Oh yeah, there's two items in here. So here is my receipt for everything. Put that to the side. Let's do this little one first, so you'll know based on the packaging what this is. This is to go with my 2424 in the chocolate brown color. I wanted something that would be that would keep the bag neutral, so she found me this Twilly, which looks like it's going to go perfectly on my chocolate brown 2424, which I showed in a previous video, and it's just got some pops of color, but it's mostly that brown kind of background, so I think that'll look perfect on it. So pretty. I don't remember what this is called, sorry, but this is perfect for the handle of my 2424 bag. Okay, so that's that one. And the other one that's in there, here's the box. So this one is an SLG, and says what's on it on the side of the box. Or says what is in it, I should say, on the side of the box. So this is a style I have wanted for a while. And here it is. So this is the Kelly Pocket Wallet, I believe it's called. Let me look at the side. Oh, it's on the lid. Yeah, Kelly Pocket Compact Wallet. And it is in the gold color with gold hardware. So cute. And I've watched reviews on this, and it seems like it will hold quite a few cards. So, and I just love how it has that same turn lock. I think this will look cute with my 24/24 bag as well. And I believe this leather is, I'm not sure, is this Epsom? I will have to look at my receipt. I think it's Epsom, but I might be wrong about that. Oh my gosh, it's really pretty with the contrast stitching, just like my my Evelyn has that same white contrast stitching. So that is the, oh yeah, I love this little feature. It has a little lock on the zipper pull on the back. I think that's so cute. Okay, so that is the next item. All right, the last two, let's do, sorry, let me get this out of the way. Okay, so the last two, I'll do this one first and then that one. Okay. So as you can see, it is a pair of shoes, and I really hope they fit because I've never actually tried them on. So I'm hoping that I got the right size. So here are the Oron sandals in gold, and I got a size 38, so I'm really hoping they fit. I will keep you posted on that. So I'll just show you the other one quickly. These have been on my wish list for a really long time, and I thought this was the perfect color to get. And they are in a smooth leather. I can't remember which leather this is, but again, I'll have to look that up. So yeah, those are the Oron sandals, and I am really, really hoping that I got the correct size. Okay, let me put these to the side. And here finally is the last item. And this is another pair of sandals. And here they are. Oh, they're so pretty. So these will match my Roulis 23 bag, my black Roulis 23 in the palladium hardware perfectly, because these are black with palladium hardware and have that same hardware detail that the Roulis has. And I got a 38 in these as well. So again, hoping that they fit. They are really, really pretty. So that is the final item. Let's show you the other one. Here it is. I believe these are called the Claire sandal. I wonder if it says that on here. Yeah, I'll show you the information here. Yeah, the Claire. So that is the information in case you are interested. So that is my final item from this little Hermes haul. I'm super excited to have started a relationship with an SA at the Toronto boutique, and it's just a funny story. So everyone's talking about, you know, the Hermes journey, quote unquote, and I used that term, and my daughter was like, "Mommy, that is so cringy, never say that again." And I kind of agree with her. But anyway, I've started purchasing from Hermes. We won't call it that since my daughter said it's really cringy, but I just thought that was funny. But yeah, it's exciting to have started my collection and be learning more about the brand and exploring the different items they have to offer. I'm really loving everything so far. Someone did ask me if I was going to sell all my Chanels and not buy Chanel anymore. Absolutely not. I love Chanel. There are a couple bags I already know I'm going to purchase later in the year. I absolutely love, like, a lot of my bags there's no way I would sell. I have sold a few, but it's my collection got a little bit large this year, so I did sell some, but never am I going to sell all of them and switch over to Hermes completely. Like, I just don't see that ever happening. So yeah, I have had a few questions about that, but just to clear that up, still love Chanel. Okay, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again and have a great day.